Redmi Note 8 comes with 48-megapixel AI quad camera and 13-megapixel front camera with AI portrait mode. You have 4 color options to choose from: Space Black, Cosmic Purple, Moonlight White and Neptune Blue color variants. You can also choose from 2 memory variants as 4GB RAM with 64GB internal memory or 6GB RAM with 128GB internal memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. Both the SIM slots support 4G on dual standby. The 6.3-inch IPS LCD multi-touch capacitive touchscreen is apt for playing games and watching movies. It also comes with 2.5D curved glass. The 48-megapixel AI quad wide-angle camera with 2cm macro lens captures the tiniest of detail. It also has a 13-megapixel selfie camera at the front. Redmi Note 8 runs on Android Pie version 9 operating system with 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, which creates smooth multitasking experience. The 4000 mAh battery provides talk time of 32 hours and a standby time of 540 hours. It also comes with VOOC flash charge that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and clear soft case. The Redmi Note 8 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.